This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 8, TV antenna, oven, stove top burner, microwave, awning, Slideout, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is 6,078 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.